This chapter is on titrations. So these are IV drugs for critical care and the emergency room. They are often ordered to infuse within a range. For example, if the range is 12 to 20 mLs per hour, the nurse will start the IV at 12 milliliters per hour. And if this doesn't work, if the patient does not react, then the IV would be increased to 13 mLs per hour. And if that didn't work, we would increase it to 14 milliliters per hour. And if that didn't work, we would increase it to 15, and so on, until the patient stabilizes, until the medicine starts working. However, for this example, it would not be safe to increase the IV past 20 mLs per hour. So we need to be careful with what the high end of the range is. Okay, so there's a couple different types of problems on this worksheet. Questions 1 through 4, I'm going to call this the forward direction. And questions 5 through 7, I'm going to call this the backward direction. And this is because the math for the backward direction is the reverse of the math for the forward direction. And then questions 8 through 10 is actually going to combine both the forward direction and the backward direction into one problem. And these are the titration problems. So we won't get to the full titration problems until question 8. Okay, looking at question number 1, it says Levophed is ordered at a rate of 33 micrograms per minute. The solution strength is 8 milligrams per 250 mLs. Find the rate in mLs per hour. So I have the rate at which this medicine is being administered, but my rate is in micrograms per minute, and they want the rate to be expressed in milliliters per hour. So I need to convert it from a powdered form to a liquid form and change the time frame from minutes to hours. So I want to set up the 33 mcg in a proportion with the solution strength. And there's two things I need to do. The first thing is I need to convert this 8 milligrams into 8,000 micrograms. The second thing I need to do is I need to multiply this 33 by 60. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the 33 is per minute. So it's a rate that's per minute. And they want the rate to be per hour. So there's 60 minutes in an hour. So if I multiply the 33 by 60, then that will now be correct. So on my calculator, I'm going to do 250 times 33 times 60, and then divide that by 8,000. And we get 61.875, but they want us to round this to the nearest whole number. So this will be 62 mLs per hour.